It's Vlad8231. It's morning time in Brookwood, Georgia, and Grandma said I could stay at her house while I'm gone. So, all I'm gonna ask you guys is, what was that? What's your favorite part of outside? Leave your answers in the comments below, and I'll read them in the next video. If I can, in the world, and it goes. I'm keeping this one. I'm just trying to remember my trip. Yeah, I've been here since I was 3. No, it was 5. I've been here since I was 5. But this has a computer. So if I have a computer, I'm definitely going to be on YouTube, Twitter, and Facebook. So you can catch me on... I forgot to tell you that I'm going to connect my Facebook. Just because I was cursing on it, so it's boy on the chat. But, no worries, guys. They only changed the password. And the password was password. No, it was my old password in capital letters. So. Yeah, I'm not gonna do this. No, everybody else, I'm not gonna lie. Shut up, bird! Right. Shut up, bird! Yeah? Yeah. Shut up! Tweet one more time. We'll cut your head off. Hit. Mad now. Boys want to switch on my chair. Here's that. I'll get tired. Here's that. Who's tired? Who's tired? I can't wait. Again, it's the Vlad8231. Have a nice day. Oh, subscribe, like it, and comment. Tell me your favorite part of a special family member's house, especially throwing watching you love, especially throwing whatever those names are, hats, birds, annoying birds. Hey, that's what I'm going to do for the next video, annoying birds. I'll try to do that in the next video. The next video will probably be man down or some other video like this.